What's going on, everyone? Enzo here, Team Kyosho America driver, and bringing you guys a unboxing of the brand new Kyosho Inferno MP10 Nitro buggy. This is their newly released flagship Nitro buggy for 2019, and I am super pumped to get something new, something reworked, and finally have something different as opposed to the good old 9 platform. So yeah, gonna do a little unboxing video, just a quick one, show you guys what you get, and we'll get right into it. So let me go ahead and take the sleeve off, crack the seals, and we'll open the box for the first time with you guys. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Let's open the seals for the first time. Inspector Kawamoto. There we go. Boom. And boom. Both seals are cut. Team Kyosho, here we go. First time opening up the brand new MP10. There it is. The brand new flagship buggy by Kyosho Corporation, the Inferno MP10. So right off the bat, just like the good old 9 platform, you get your manual, your stickers, tube, your good old paperwork. Coming off right here, I see they haven't changed the wing. The wing is still the TKI-4 wing. Kyosho has been really grateful the past couple releases with their 8 scales to give you wheels. These are Kyosho's 8 scale wheels, really good wheels. Ran the yellow ones myself all of last year. They're good stuff. Here's one of the new items for 2019 is you get new low center of gravity side guards. These are actually also lighter too, a lot lighter. Best part of my build for my opinion, the shocks. I love building Kyosho 8 scale shocks. Your clutch assembly, your new motor plates, new body lines are pretty sweet, look pretty good. Your new arms, and just how the majority of the companies are starting to go that route. These are solid arms. They're all one piece. And then, you know, the rest of your plastics, your fuel tank, and then the biggest one of them all is probably the chassis. I'm going to try and get this out one-handed. There we go. Perfect. Sweet. Trying to get the chassis out. Here we go. One-handed, folks. And there we go. So here's the new and improved chassis for the MP10. New milling, new pocketing. It is 2 millimeters shorter also. Kyosho's also super cool enough to give you the hard anodized chassis in the kit. So you can see super glossy. The machine work is absolutely awesome. So yeah, that is pretty much the majority of your MP10. You know, you get the same old air filter assembly, fuel tank, more plastics, you get a tire wrench too, get a bunch of goodies, radio assembly, all that good stuff in here. But yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys what you get when you order your brand new Kyosho MP10. And yeah, again, just wanted to show you guys what you get with the new car. And we will definitely be making some videos on the new car. So thanks again, everyone, for watching. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.